Welcome everyone to our channel Full on Entertainment. We solve a variety of questions and we provide detailed broken down solutions. So today we have this question. It is a logarithm based question, so if you know log then you can follow along, or even if you are new then you can know how it works. So we have a system of equations, but this is not an algebraic equation. We have logarithmic terms here. Log base 2x plus log 4 base 4y equals to 4, and log base 4x plus log base 2y equals to 5. So when we have a question like this, we have to try to convert it into an algebraic equation. So we have to convert this log term into an algebra term. So in order to do that, we look at the bases here. So we have 2 as a base, and here we have 4 as a base. Here we have 4 as a base, and here we have 2 as a base. So we see that the bases are different but same for the two equations 2 and 4, 2 and 4. But they are not same, so we cannot directly use any formula or add them, or take this term as some other variable by substitution. So first we have to equate the bases. We have to convert the bases into a common form. So let us see how to do that. So let us first try to write log 4y in the form of a base 2 number. So we write log base 4y equals log y by log 4. So we can write this because of the property of log, that if we have a base and a number, then we can write it in the form of a fraction by taking a common base. So here we have taken log 10 for y and 4. So this is a property of logarithm if you don't know. So you can write log base 4y as log y by log 4. Now what we do is we write log y by, we write 4 in terms of 2. So we can write 4 as 2 square. Now we know that if there is a power in the term of which you are taking logarithm, then the power can be brought outside as a term which is multiplied by it. So we can write it as log y by 2 log 2. Okay. So this is also another property of log, that the power gets transferred as a product. Then now we can write it as half of log base y by log base 2, which is, and now this is, again this term is can be written back as log base 2 of y, and we have a half outside, so it becomes log y base 2 multiplied by half. So it is basically log base 2y by 2. So this is what we wanted to get. So now this expression has been converted into the form of a base 2 log, and this division factor 2 has been introduced. Now we do the same for this log 4x here. Log base 4x equals, again we can just directly write it because we have already done the calculation here. So this can be written as half of log base 2x. Okay. So now that we have converted both these log base 4 terms into log base 2 terms, we rewrite them in the equation. So now we get log base 2x plus half of log base 2y equals to 4, and then And similarly, half of log base 2x plus log base 2y equal to 5. Okay. Okay, now that we have converted it into log base 2, now we see that both of these equations have log base 2x and log base 2y. So these two can be taken as two variables. So we can substitute them by doing this. Suppose p equals log base 2x and q equals log base 2y. So then this equation becomes p plus half of q equals to 4, and the next equation becomes half of p plus q equals to 5. Now this is an algebraic equation with two variables, and now we can solve this easily. We do it by converting it into like terms. So we multiply this equation by 2 and we get p plus 2q equals to 10. And then we subtract this equation. So suppose this is equation 1, this is equation 2, this is equation 3. Now we do 3 minus 2. Equation 3 minus 2, we get p cancels out, so p plus 2q minus p plus half q, and now this becomes this is 10 minus 4. Okay. Now this p cancels out and we get 2q minus half q, which is 3 by 2 q equals to 10 minus 4 is 6. Okay. Now we see that this is almost solved. We have found out q, so now we just have to use this format. So we just write q equals to 12 by 3, which is 4. Okay, so we have got the value of q. So now just put it back into this equation. So if q is 2, then we know that p plus half q is 4. So p plus half into 4 is 4. So p plus 2 equals to 4. So p equals to 2. Okay. So now I've got both values. P is 2 and q is 4. So now we plug this back in the original equation. Here we have taken p equals to log base 2x and q equals to log base 2y. So now log base 2x equals to 2. So x becomes 2 square, which is 4. Similarly, log base 2y is q and q is 4. So this is 4, and then y becomes 2 raised to 4, so 60. Okay, so this is the final answer. We have got both x and y values. So now we can do a check on the equation. So x is 4, y is 16. So if we just do a quick check, verify whether our solution is right. So initially we had this log base 2x plus log base 4y must be 4, log base 4x and log base 2y must be 5. So we do log base 2x plus log base 4y equals to x is 4, so log base 2 4 plus log base 4 y is 16, which becomes log base 2 4, so 2 square is 4 and 4 square is 16, so both are 2, which is 4. So this is correct. And then the second one is log base 4x plus log base 2y equals to log base 4 of 4 plus log base 2 of 16, and log base 4 of 4 is 1 and log base 2 of 16 is 4, because 2 to the power 4 is 16. This is 5. So the second equation is also satisfied. So this is the solution. X is 4 and y is 16. Thank you for watching, and give us a like and subscribe if you like the video, and keep watching more such videos on our channel. Thank you very much.